So this is my business. In my business, how to promoting for through videos. The video making, first of all, PPT person will be making for slides. That video we converting for PPT to video making. After that, we can set up by the Vimeo channel. First of all, we'll prepare the PPT slide. Second, we'll PPT convert into video format. Third one, we can sign up with the Vimeo channel. In this Vimeo, each video will be promoting for individual, but Vimeo version will be every week they give the only for 500 MB only. If you need for unlimited, we have to purchase the premium package. So where you can check your space. When upload any video, they give your weekly space. Suppose this week 5 MB is done, we can upload any videos. Next process. See this one. Any video here. Your total channel limit will be up to 5 GB. Your total channel limit will be up to 5 GB. Weekly 500. Total channel space will be up to 5 GB. If you go for upgrade plan, it will be here. Just in your uploading time, they show for your space. Click for upgrade. Show your packages. Plus 250 GB, $7 per month. Pro, 20 GB week, $20 per month. This all space will given by the weekly spaces, not for the monthly. So this will be 20 GB, no weekly limit, $50. Unlimited live streaming, 7 TB star. They will be showing for $75. Unlimited live streaming, 7 TB total storage. It will be TB, terabytes, not for GB, gigabytes. It will be terabytes. So we call for unlimited also. That weekly limit is called up to 5 TB storage for $50. These are the packages given by your Vimeo channel. Any upload video, remember that is supported by MP4 format. Any video upload by the MP4 format. Any video can upload. They will convert into the MP4 format. First upload my video here. Choose. I can go to particular folder. Each video minimum required for the 1 minute or above minutes. Title is done. Next, add your description. Wait for a second. So I'm uploading video. First I'm writing for title. Next I'm writing for description. So done. Next I'm adding for keywords. The tags will be adding for with the using comma. Digital marketing services. Digital marketing agency. Digital marketing company. Hyderabad. Services in Madhapur. After that, select your language. Language will be English. Content will be all audience. Click for save. Once save this file, just you can click for updating your video. The video will convert into their own format in Vimeo. They playing for in this option. So the video will be ready on your Vimeo channel. Here is a very important is called custom thumbnail. Any video mandatory for custom thumbnail. How to update for custom thumbnail on your Vimeo channel. Suppose people come into your video. They check how to know this based on your custom thumbnail. So you can select your video in this. Just here you can go option call is setting. Be careful to watch. Go to settings. In the settings, you can check all information. In the future, if you change your title for video, you can change it. Description you can change and change your tags also. Change your thumbnail also. Here will be a scroll down. What is that? Edit thumbnail. Upload your photo. Add it here. Click this. Automatically, people can understand based on the thumbnail. Can click your views. So this one. Now click for save. After save, the thumbnail will be changed. So people coming to your Vimeo channel, they can check the video easily showing for our video with your thumbnail option. The thumbnail will be 1240 into 720 pixel. So once create your channel, just you can play this video the based on your activation. So in this we have send file will be there and the review also will be there. Check the publish on to social also. When click here, they need to go for version on the upgrade version. So simple, if you promote any videos, just open this video. Any kind of promotions will be here. In this your option call is who can watch, anyone, or else only me, people I follow, people I choose, people with me the password. Is it clear? There are totally 5 tabs people are watching your video. Public, only for your, and people I follow, people I choose, people with the password. So I'm clicking for anyone. Next one, where can this be embedded? Anywhere, nowhere. I'm clicking for anywhere. This embed nothing but autoplay the video purpose. Next one, who can comment? Anyone, no one, people follow. So I'm giving always anyone. Why? Because we can target the new users. So definitely we coming for anyone. Suppose we any published by any private videos, you can go with the password. Suppose you can certain people you can share that video. You can protect your password. The simple one. Just come into your protect password, enter your password. Done. Just one click to set up your password. If anybody watch your videos along with the password protect. So this is called anyone we can promote video. Click for save. Once done this video, just play the video. In the video time, what other option will be there? You can check this option. First of all, watch later. Second will be add on collection. Third one, share. When you click for share, they're showing for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Reddit. If you promote any videos on Vimeo, simple. Click for Reddit and send it on it. Click for post. Is it simple or not? They easily shared by your Vimeo version. If anybody click for in this one, they're going to wear our Vimeo video. Anything will be promoted for in these options are very important. Please note down any Vimeo video promoting for 6 social networks. So once you're promoting videos on your channel, just you can share by your all social networks. When increase your social network, they promote your videos Vimeo to on your multiple social network. That will be Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest. Simple, you can go to Pinterest. Select your option called Pinterest here. Select your board, the relevant boards. In this, select your services. Simply here, select your board. So that is called in this option. How many boards you have in Pinterest relevant? All boards you can add by the particular video. This is mandatory from the each and every videos. Always remember any video will promoting a social network will be first preference. Next will be sharing by the multiple backlinking purpose. That is using for SEO social bookmarking sites. Getpocket, Instapaper, Flowcard. This all will getting for manual backlinks on your Vimeo video marketing purpose. Any video we can promote, we'll market on the Vimeo channel for your make the video using PPT presentation for business leads purpose.